Brent crude gained nearly a cent on Friday after planned US-Iran talks in Switzerland were abruptly called off, snapping a week-long sell-off in oil. This is the Milton Brief for Monday, June 22nd. Talks, intended as a follow-up to earlier discussions, were cancelled after Vice President Vance called off his Switzerland trip, citing unresolved logistical issues. Iran had reportedly demanded a halt to Israeli military operations in Lebanon as a precondition for the meeting, a demand that contributed to the breakdown. Brent crude settled at $80.57 a barrel, down roughly 32% from its 2026 peak of around $118 in late April. WTI also moved higher, gaining 1.23% to settle at $77.44. The Strait of Hormuz remains a key uncertainty, still running at a fraction of pre-war traffic levels. Analysts, pointing in part to a Pentagon estimate of 6 months for mine clearance operations, warn that full normalization could take until late 2026 at the earliest. U.S. equity markets were closed on June 19 for Juneteenth. The most recent session was Thursday, June 18, when the S&P 500 rose 1.08%, the Nasdaq gained 1.91%, and the Dow added 0.14%. With the Hormuz corridor still recovering and diplomacy stalled, oil markets remain sensitive to any shift in the Middle East picture in the weeks ahead. If this helped, subscribe to the Milton Brief, and I'll see you in the next one.